Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your first task in Monday.com. I'm going to show you how you can also manage the table and what you can do in a table. So in the moment when you're gonna come on Monday.com and you want to use it, you want to click here on add item. Here you can simply click new item or just go here and add item, and you just write the name of your item. So let's say a task. We can go and write here YouTube video about marketing, In the moment when you name it, you will have it as a task. And what you can actually do, you can open the item page. So let's do that. Here you would find the updates, the files, and activity log. What you can do also is to simply click expand sub items, and here you can simply add sub items. So I can simply write here, so write a YouTube description. Then also you can write create YouTube thumbnail. So this is how you can add the subtasks. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You can also start the conversation here. You can also click plus here, add a view. And you can simply add views to your item card. Then I'm going to show you what you can also add emails activities. You can simply click new email and you need to connect it. Then you can add a view get UI or quotes and invoices. Right, so you can create an invoice, and I created a tutorial also on how you can work with quotes and invoices, so definitely check it on YouTube. Now item card, these are the card that you would have. So let's say you can add this. These are the all columns that we have right here. So when I'm going to cancel this, these are all columns that I can have directly in my item card. So you don't have to actually fill it and fill it here in the columns if you don't want to. You can simply open it, add an item card, and simply add the items here. So let's say I'm going true and false, person is going to be myself, status, working on it, formula if I have, location, date, and files if I have files. Now I'm going to see, and I canceled it, and now we can see clearly that we created our first task, and you can clearly see that the columns that I had prepared are already here, already filled out. Now to add a columns, what you can do is to simply collapse sub items. I can go on add a column, and I can add a status. I can add a timeline. I can add numbers, the people, the date, time tracking, dependencies, files, formula, and many more. You can simply click more columns, and here the status is really great. These are the get the instant overview of where things stand, label. You can create those. And then you're gonna have the connect boards here. Then checkboxing, link, item ID, phone, location, files. So that's what you can have. Also dependencies, week, time tracking. So time tracking is really great. So that's what you can do and add. And when I'm going to also to start tracking, see, it's tracking already. And you can simply have a time tracking here. I can add a status. I can also add a label. So I'm going to show you. So that's what you can do. And you can simply always edit the label. So I can have label 1. This can be like a video, blog, or let's say it can be a camera or just audio. You can change the colors always. Apply, see. And you're gonna have also the status here, and status is the same thing that I have right here. So I'm going to like just remove it. And then what you can do is to simply click on working on it, and you can change it to done. You can change it to like edit the label, working on is stuck done, and I can not start yet. Apply. Right? So this is pretty much it how you can do it. Now I'm going to show you also, like you can have it also in Kanban. So when you have main table in the 4 fingers Kanban, in which you can have the tasks, and you can simply add an item here too. So I'm going to working on it, and it's going to be like, let's say block, add. I can click on it and I can simply fill it out. So this is really all those columns that we have in our timeline, in our main table, you would find right here. So you can add a sum item, true and false. Then also you have option to add a person, a formula, location, date, files, time tracking label. And same thing when I would like add a block, what you can do guys is to fill it out directly in your project planning. So you can add a formula, you can add a location, let's say like this. So you don't have to fill it out when open and have an item card, which is for me much more effective. You can do it like this, that you would have a block, and you could just like change the location here of it. So this is pretty much it, how you can add your first task in Monday.com. If you're gonna have any questions guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. You know how it goes, you know how it is. So thank you, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.